What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to add a PayPal link to your YouTube channel. Now this video was requested by Simple Recipe Kitchen. Nice sharing. Can you show us how to add the PayPal link to our YouTube channel? Simple Recipe Kitchen, thanks for requesting this video. So before I get into the video, I just want to give a random shout out to this person who have been supporting my channel and been commenting on my video. So make sure that you have your post notification on so you don't miss my next upload. So I'm going to go to my computer right now and show you guys how to do that. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is to go to your web browser, and I'm going to go on YouTube. Now once I'm on YouTube, I'm going to go to my YouTube studio by clicking my profile picture. Go to my YouTube studio. Now after I've go to my YouTube studio, what I want to go on is customization. Then I'm going to go to basic info. Then I'm going to scroll down where I see links. So these basically are places where you can add links for your social medias or any type of link that you want to add. So what I'm going to do basically, I'm going to add my PayPal link right in here. So this basically you can add up to 5 links. That means I have one more place that I can add one more link right here. So I'm going to add a link. So I'm going to name it as PayPal. Now what I want to do now is to go to my PayPal account. So I'm going to log into my PayPal account right now. PayPal login. So guys, I'm basically on my PayPal page right now. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a link for my PayPal account so that person know exactly that it is me they are paying. So basically there are some steps in which I have to do first. So whenever you go on your PayPal account, what you want to do is to go over here, send and request. Now once you click on send and request, you're going to go to request right here because you're going to requesting money from people or person. Then what you want to do is to create a personal profile. So I'm going to create a personal profile right now. So PayPal is basically asking you for a unique link that you want people to identify you by. So for example, I'm going to use Ackeem Sterling 1 for this process. So this link is available, so I'm going to click on next. You can also add a profile picture so that person know exactly that is you they are paying. So you can add a profile picture right here. So let me add my profile picture. This is basically optional, but you can do it to let people know that this is you and that is you they are paying. So I'm gonna find a photo right now. This is my photo. I'm gonna add it right there. Then I'm click on save. Now I already generate a link, so let me do it over again because since the link has gone. So Ackeem Sterling 1, and that's the link. So I'm going to click on next right there, and I'm going to agree to the terms and condition, and I'm going to agree and create. Now my profile is live. So I have created my unique link to add to my YouTube channel. Click on done. Now after you have clicked on done right there, what you want to do right now is to go over to contacts. So I'm going to go over to contacts right now, and I'm going to, this is my profile right here that I have just created. So what I can do is to basically copy my link to get paid right here. So I can share it to all the social media. So what I'm going to do is basically right now, I'm going to copy the link. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go now right now to my YouTube account, and I'm going to paste the URL right here. So I'm going to paste it right in here. So that's my unique URL, PayPal me Ackeem Sterling 1, right? And I can publish this. Now this is basically gonna show on my channel. So whenever you come to the top of my channel, you can see my PayPal account. So let me paste this on another browser. So let me see how this look. search. So whenever someone click on the link, this is what they will see, so they can send me money on PayPal. So I'm going to go back now onto my profile, onto my account, or my channel rather. And as you can see right here, let me pause this a bit. As you can see right there, guys, my PayPal account has been listed right here. So first you can click on this, and they can see and request money to my PayPal account. So guys, if this video was helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Remember to leave a comment if this video was helpful, and as always, peace out.